Class 10, exercise number 6.1, question number 4. Prove the following identities. The Roman number 1 is given as secant power 6 theta is equal to tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta secant square theta plus 1. You have to prove the identity LHS equal to RHS. Then second Roman number is given as sin theta plus secant theta whole square plus cos theta plus cosecant theta whole square is equal to 1 plus secant theta plus cosecant theta whole square. We have to prove the terms, right? See here, I am going to take the LHS side for solution. The LHS is given as secant power 6 theta. It can be rearranged like this. The secant square theta, secant power 6 theta can be written in the form of secant square theta whole power 3, because when we have using the square, we can use the identities. See, secant square theta is nothing but, we know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So in the place of secant square theta, I am going to apply the identity 1 plus tan square theta. Here we have 1 plus tan square theta whole power 3. So it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. It is in the form of a plus b. A plus b whole cube. We have the formula a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. It is the formula of a plus b whole cube, right? So we are going to write the given terms, that is 1 plus tan square theta, in this format. See, in the place of a is 1, in the place of b is tan square theta. So 1 cube is nothing but 1 plus b is tan square theta whole power 3 plus 3 a into b. A is 1, b is tan square theta into a plus b, 1 plus tan square theta. We have rewritten the given terms in the formatted. So now 1 plus tan square theta into whole power 3 means then power should be multiple. Power of power should be multiple. So we get tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta. So here I take that secant square theta. So this term is equal to tan power 6 theta. It is in the given form, tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta secant square theta and then plus 1. This term is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Hence proved the identities. Next we see the second Roman number, sin theta plus secant theta whole square plus cos theta plus cosecant theta whole square is equal to, we want to prove the RHS side is 1 plus secant theta plus cosecant whole square. Solution, I take LHS side here. LHS is given as sin theta plus secant theta whole square plus cos theta plus cosecant theta whole square. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square, right? So we are applying the formula, that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? Plus b square plus 2ab. Here this term is equal to a is sin theta, b is secant theta. So a square means sin square theta plus b is secant square theta plus 2 into a into b, sin into secant. Plus here also the same concept, a plus b whole square formula, that is a square is cos square theta plus b square is cosecant square theta plus 2 into cos into cosecant, right? Now see, here we have sin theta, here we have cos theta. I take the term, we know the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to value 1, right? I take this plus of secant and cosecant, secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. See, here also we have 2 secant theta, here also we have 2 cos cosecant theta. 2 will be taken out commonly for this 2 term. In here, for this 2 term, 2 is common. I take 2 is commonly outside, then 2 into sin theta secant theta plus cos theta cosecant theta. Now sum of the identity cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 or sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to value 1 plus here we have secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into this term can be write like this. Here highlighting 2 into sin theta, the reciprocal of secant theta is 1 by cos. So this term is equal to 1 by cos theta plus here we have cos theta, the reciprocal of cosecant is 1 by sin theta. So cos divided by sin divided by cos. The first term as it is 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into, see if you take LCM for this, that is the form sin theta divided by cos theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta, right? It is in the form, right? Now we have to take LCM for the term. So the first term as it is, right, plus 2 into, if you take LCM means here we have cos theta into sin theta, multiple the denominator term and cross multiple the numerator to denominator, right? Sin into sin is sin square theta plus cos into cos is cos square theta. Again here we have the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to value 1. So 1 plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into 1 divided by cos theta sin theta. 1 divided by cos is nothing but cosecant. 1 divided by sin is nothing but cos. Sorry, here we have write that identities, that is 1 divided by cos theta is nothing but secant theta. 1 divided by sin is nothing but cosecant theta. That is the reciprocal identity. So by using this reciprocal identity, I am going to write this term 1 by cos as secant, 1 by sin as cosecant. Now I change the terms secant and cosecant. Now compare this term. Imagine this is one of the form, right? It is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. See, a is 1, b is this term. Imagine this is a, this is b, the whole term become b, then 2 into ab. So it is in the form of a plus b, a square plus 2b square plus 2ab, means we can write it in the form of a plus b whole square. Here a is 1 plus b is nothing but secant theta plus cosecant theta whole square. So compare this. Sorry, here we have a is secant, b is cosecant square theta and ab. Right, one left the one as it is, 1 plus secant. Here a is equal to secant theta, b is equal to cosecant theta. Now a square plus b square plus 2ab. Just take this whole term. This can be written in the form of secant theta plus cosecant theta whole square is equal to RHS, hence proved. Thank you, students.